Alright guys, today I'm doing a recipe. We got some chicken drumsticks I want to use up and some greens that I'm going to make. So I'm going to cook it in the Instant Pot with some seasoning and everything and make it with some rice. So stay tuned, I'm going to add some carrots to it as well. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see the drumsticks are all seasoned. I went really aggressive with the seasoning, so I'm going to cook it up on the saute function on the Instant Pot here. And then we'll go from that to the rice button. And then put in some carrots, and then it'll cook up. Put the greens in at the end, and should taste pretty good. So stay tuned. So I put the rice is in, the carrots are in. I'm just gonna put the lid on, and then we're going to use the rice button. Hit that, and we just wait. I'll be back, guys, when it's all done. All right, guys. So it's all done here. I'm gonna do a quick taste test. Got the greens in there, as you can see. So here's some rice. There it is. Taste-wise, it's really good, really flavorful. The greens make it a nice little crispy thing as well, so here's some greens. If you check it out, guys, if you have any questions or comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.